Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? It's Larry Jones. For those of you that's new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. Keeps me alive when you hit the like button. Let's talk about this market today. Remember, I said on my videos this weekend, you know, all dips are not good dips. Right now, it's like trying to catch a falling knife, and I am not buying anything. And I know other YouTubers are telling you what's a good buy, and I suggest you look at what they're saying. But as far as Uncle Larry, I'm waiting. It's like catching a falling knife right now, and I don't want to get cut. Okay, so let's look at a few things that actually occurred. Of course, it was a sell-off because of the Delta variant. People are scared. We already had raising inflation and then raising rates, that the market was already in trouble, right? It's just like, you know, going through a haunted house. You're already on high alert. You're already jittery. And so that's what's happening. So there's a big sell-off going on. People are scared to see what the market is going to do. Now, yes, were there buying opportunities today? Yes. But me personally, I've just learned from doing this for so many years, over 25 years, till sometimes just be patient. And so I'm in that be patient zone right now, and I'm just going to wait and see what the market is going to do. Let's look at what was down. Of course, energy was down. That's oil, because people are thinking people are not going to travel, right? All of the travel stock are down. Cruise lines, airlines, hotels, they're down. All the reopening stock, which I had some of them with golf courses and stuff, they're down. And financials are even down. Banks are down. And so banks are one of the things that we should be looking at buying some of the dips, but not right now, because it's still dipping. And so that's what I wanted to tell you guys. And for those of you guys, remember, I'm about keeping the boat balanced, balancing things, and just keeping our boats balanced, right? And these are the times when you want to balance the boat, not just load the boat, but balance the boat. So if you have margins, a lot of you guys are going to start getting margin calls, meaning that you have a lot of your stock that are purchased with margins, right? So for those of you that are getting these margin calls, you either have to add money, right? Or you have to sell some stock. And that's what those margin calls are about. But I want to let you guys know that are new. If you have, so like one of my accounts are Fidelity. And if you have margins, which I had some margins, you could call your broker and tell them, if you have enough cash to cover, to convert it to cash. So you can convert your margins to cash. That way you're not getting margin calls. I suggest, because I'm not your financial advisor, everything we're discussing today is for discussion purposes. I suggest that, I'm sorry, I put these eye drops in, man, they just keep bothering me. I suggest that you guys don't buy in this period with margins. Just don't do it. It's just too dangerous. Don't buy with margins, right? And if you can, if you think that it's the best thing for you right now, only buy with cash, okay? So you don't want to be getting margin calls because your stocks are falling, further costing you more money, all right? I want to point that out. Now, let's talk about what we should be doing right now. We should be balancing the boat. Right now, you should be looking for stock. Number one, have your stop losses on, like I talked about in my previous videos, trailing stop losses and hard stop losses. If you want to learn how to use a trailing stop loss, just go to YouTube, put in Larry Jones trailing stop loss, and I do a explanation on how to do it. And we should be looking for stock that we would like to buy when this thing bottoms out. That's what we need to be focusing on, not running around in fear. So you're going to see FUD is going to be at an all-time high. This happens every time when we go through these cycles. It's just a rolling wheel that happens all of the time. So We do not operate in fear. If you come into this, if you're new to this, you come with negativity, we're just going to take it down, good people. And hey, I will never ask you for your phone number, any information. I will never post a WhatsApp. I will never talk about another broker. I will never say contact me. That is spam, not just on my page, but on anybody's page. So you're going to see a lot of that. So be careful out there. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for people talking about crypto down in the comments. Okay. So I just wanted to keep it short and sweet right there, good people. That's what we want to do. We know that this is a sell-off. And me personally, I'm just saying I'm not buying these dips right away. And because I'm not trying to catch a falling knife. I've caught many of them and it don't feel good, good people. All right. So check out the links below. Stay positive. Look for opportunity. Don't let the negativity creep in because it's coming with a bang. All right, good people. Love you. Live, love, laugh, and learn.